Serializing class instance to JSON. I am trying to create a JSON string representation of a class instance and having difficulty. Let's say the class is built like this. A call to the JSON.dumps is made like this. It is failing and telling me that the test class is not JSON serializable. I have also tried using the pickle module, and it gives class instance information but not a serialized content of the class instance. What am I doing wrong?
The basic problem is that the JSON encoder JSON.dumps only knows how to serialize a limited set of object types by default, all built-in types. List here this URL. One good solution would be to make your class inherit from chunencoder, and then implement the chunencoder.default function, and make that function emit the correct JSON for your class. A simple solution would be to call JSON.dumps on the _dict_member of that instance. That is a standard Python dict, and if your class is simple it will be JSON serializable. The above approach is discussed in this blog posting. Serializing arbitrary Python objects to JSON using _dict_. And, of course, Python offers a built-in function that accesses ._dict_ for you, called vars. So the above example can also be done as
There's one way that works great for me that you can try out. JSON.dumps can take an optional parameter default where you can specify a custom serializer function for unknown types, which in my case looks like. First, two ifs are for date and time serialization, and then there is a obj._dict_ for any other object. The final call looks like. It's especially good when you are serializing a collection and you don't want to call _dict_ explicitly for every object. Here it's done for you automatically. So far worked so good for me. Looking forward for your thoughts.
You can specify the default named parameter in the JSON.dumps function. Explanation. Form the docs 2.7, 3.6. Works on Python 2.7 and Python 3.x. Note, in this case you need instance variables and not class variables, as the example in the question tries to do. I am assuming the asker meant class instance to be an object of a class. I learned this first from Fihog's answer here. Found it to be the simplest and cleanest way to do the job.
using JSON pickle.
If you want to see more, please ask the society.